This conference will now be recorded.
Are you hearing my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Voice is audible, sir.
The same concept we are going to see VPC. Log into AWS Management Console, go to VPC. Click on VPC. So this is default VPC. You can give one name because we will confuse. Default VPC. Now we are going to create our own VPC. So create VPC. Give the VPC name. DS VPC.
Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, your voice is so low, sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear, sir.
Yeah. So give the VPC name. Now give the network ID. I am taking 192.168.0.0/16 tenancy default. I am not giving any tag name. If you want to give tag name, you can give the tag name. Click on create VPC. Now go to subnets. Create subnet. So give the public subnet. DS hyphen pub hyphen subnet. Select the VPC, DS VPC. Availability zone, you can select AP South 1A. These are the data centers. So here you can give the network ID 192.160.10.0/24 250 IP addresses we can get. So click on create, click on close. Now create private subnet, same create subnet. Here you can give the name DS hyphen PVT hyphen subnet. This is private subnet. Select the VPC, DS VPC. Availability zone, you can select 1A or 1B, whatever it may be. So select the network ID 192.168.20 series I am taking. See, 10 series is difference. This is difference. Click on create. So private subnet, public subnet, both we created. Now you can go to creating the internet gateway. So left side panel, we can select internet gateway, create internet gateway, give the name DS IGW, click on create. So this gateway we have to attach to the VPC. Now see, this is detached mode by default. Select the gateway. Now click on actions, attach to VPC. Select the VPC, DS VPC already we created. Click on attach. So this gateway is attached. Now we are going to create a public routing table. So left side panel, you can select routing table. Select create route table. Give the name DS hyphen pub route table. Select the VPC, DS VPC. Click on create. Close. So routing table is created. Now select the routing table. Click on subnet association. So public subnet already we created. We have to attach it. Edit subnet association. Select the public subnet here. Click on save. Again, click on routes. Edit routes. Add route. So give the destination 0.0.0.0. Target you can select internet gateway. So gateway is DS gateway. Just now we created. Select that gateway. Click on save routes. Click on close. Now create another routing table. DS private route table. Select the VPC, DS VPC. Click on create. Click on close. So private route is created, routing table. Click on subnet association. Edit subnet associations. Select private subnet here. Click on save. Now here, no need to assign routing table to this private subnet because directly private servers cannot communicate with internet gateway. So no need to edit the gateway. Here no need to select the gateway. Just private subnets, public subnets only can attach to the internet. private subnets, they cannot attach to the internet. Now we are going to launch the Windows instance. Go to services, click on EC2. Launch the Windows instance. First public instance, next private instance. So click on launch instance. So select Windows Server here, Microsoft Windows Server 2016 base. So free tier eligible. Configure instance details. So here we can select DS VPC. Select public subnet. Auto assign public IP, how to make it enable. Remaining leave it to defaults. Click on add storage. So add tags. So if you want to add the tag, you can add the tag. Win pub VM means public virtual machine. Click on configure security group. Default is RDP, remote desktop protocol. So click on review and launch. Again click on launch. Select the key, DS win key. Yes. Click on launch instances. Click on view instances. Here you can give the name. Win pub instance. It is running. So click on connect. Download remote desktop file. So 13.234.32.233. So click on get password. So it will take some time, just 1 minute. Meanwhile, we are going to launch the private instance. Click on launch instance. Same server you can select. Configure instance details. So here we can select the VPC, DS VPC. So subnet, private subnet we are going to select. So auto assign public IP here, make it disable only, don't enable it. Click on add storage, add tags. So if you want to give the tag name, you can give the tag name. Win private instance. Configure security group. So same RDP, create a new security group, review and launch. Click on launch. Same key you can select, no problem. Launch instance. View instances. So here you can give the name Win private instance. See, private instance don't have the public IP. You can select public instance. We can get public IP here. It will show now. Now you can see here public instance, we have a public IP address. Now select private instance. So no public IP. So now how to access these instances we are going to see. Select public instance first. Click on connect. Get password. Choose file. So where we downloaded the files, go to my computers, downloads. So file name is ds key, decrypt password. Choose file name ds key 1. ds win key, decrypt. ds win key 1. So copy this password. Now log into the server, click on connect. So paste the password here. Click on OK. Click on yes. Now see, we are connecting to the public instance. From public instance, now we are going to log into the private server. Now here you can get the complete information. Click on yes, networking information, yes. From right side, it will give the complete information to us. See here. Host name, instance ID, public IP address. This is the public IP. See private IP address 192.168.10 series we taken. So it has sent 10.45. Availability zone, it's showing AP South 1A. This is the architecture, processor and memory. Now from this public instance, we are going to log into the private server. So how to log in, we are going to see. Now select private instance. Now see here we have the private IP address. This is we given 20 series. Now click on connect. Get the password. Choose the file. DS win key. Click on decrypt password. ds win key 1 decrypt. So select the password. So paste the password. Now go to public instance. Go to the command prompt. Here type the command mstsc remote desktop computer name it will ask. Give the private IP address. So this is the private IP. Copy this IP address. See, we are in public server. We are logged into the private server. Give the IP. Click on connect. So username administrator. So password which we copied. So copy this password. Paste the password. Click on OK. See, from public server, we are logged into the private system. Click on yes. Now here we can check the complete information, which system we logged in. So network communication, yes. Now see here, host name, instance ID, private IP address 192.168.20.58. So first we logged into the public server. From public to private, we logged into the system. So this is the communication between private subnets and public subnets. So tomorrow we are going to see Linux instances and also NAT gateways. Now you can go for Internet Explorer here. Here you can type www.gmail.com. Now you can check whether the site is coming or not. So not coming. So come out from this. Now go to private subnet now. Public subnet now. So log into public subnet. Go to downloads. check the IP address 13.38.233. So this is the file. Click on connect. Now give the password. Copy the password. Paste the password. Click on OK. Yes. So we are connecting to the Windows server. So some technical problem is that generally we are going to connect to directly internet from the public subnet, public server. So tomorrow what we are going to do, we are going to log in from Linux instances, public instance and private instance, same like this. But we are going to configure the NATing, NAT server, network address translation server. So what it will do, some from private server we can log into the public server, we can access the internet, because private servers are nothing but database servers, application servers. They cannot directly connect to the internet. Only web servers only interact with the internet. So what we are going to see, so we are going to communicate to Linux systems, private subnet and public subnet. Then how to communicate with the internet by using NAT gateway, tomorrow we are going to see. So do you have any doubt, Mr. Kapil?
No, sir. No, sir. No doubt, sir.
Yeah. Tomorrow we are going to see Linux instances with NATing. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kapil. Okay.